vegetarian is easy and delicious. Everyone has eaten mashed potatoes, but have you ever tried frying eggs with them?
Mashed potato fried eggs have a soft, creamy texture and delicious flavor. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and full of aroma. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: eggs, potatoes, carrot. Peel and slices potatoes. Steam the potatoes in a steamer until they are fully cooked and soft, about 15 minutes, adjusting the time based on your steamer. The steamed potatoes should be mashed with a fork until smooth, then set aside for later use. Add Cajun seasoning and mix well. Peel and chopped carrot. Adding diced carrots to fried eggs enhances both texture and visual appeal. The sweet crunch of carrots complements the egg's savoriness, with golden yellows accented by vibrant orange tones that stimulate the appetite. Let's beat some eggs. Seasoning with salt, pepper powder, and Cajun seasoning to taste. Cajun seasoning delivers a bold, spicy kick with a hint of smoky sweetness. It instantly transforms dishes with the complex, layered flavors of authentic Louisiana cuisine. Let's fried egg. Pan fry the mashed potatoes until golden to release an irresistible aroma. The crispy exterior and creamy interior of fried mashed potatoes pair perfectly with fluffy eggs. Add carrot dices alone, or mix into mashed potatoes for combined frying. Diced carrots fried directly with eggs deliver a crisp, tender texture. For softer results, blanch the carrots first. Adjust according to your preference. After pouring in the egg mixture, don't stir immediately. Let the bottom set to form a crispy edge. Wait until golden lacy edges appear before flipping. This makes a perfectly cooked omelet. Covering the pan briefly while frying keeps the yolks delicately tender. Simply extend the covering time by 30 seconds for fully set yolks with perfect doneness control. Gently flipping the fried egg onto a plate helps maintain its perfect shape intact. Using a plate to flip is gentler than a spatula for keeping the egg whole. And there you have it, a gloriously thick and creamy mashed potato fried egg, packed with comforting flavors and irresistible aroma. This mashed potato fried egg is incredibly filling, with its hearty texture that brings ultimate satisfaction. The golden crispy exterior and creamy interior make every bite irresistibly delicious. It's perfect as a standalone breakfast or served over rice, delivering both nutrition and fantastic flavor.
Little known facts about potatoes.
Potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space. In 1995, NASA collaborated with the International Potato Center CIP in Peru to successfully grow potatoes aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia. A single potato can power an LED bulb for 40 days. A bio-battery using copper-zinc electrodes with phosphoric acid electrolyte was experimentally verified by Russian and Israeli scientists. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C and potassium, with a single medium-sized potato providing 45% of the daily recommended vitamin C intake. When consumed with skin, Potatoes deliver double the fiber, making them a more nutritious staple food. Eggs are a complete protein source, with one large egg providing about 6 grams of protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. The yolk is rich in choline and lutein, boosting brain health and vision, though its higher cholesterol content warrants moderate consumption. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.